To begin to solve these equations algebraically, I'm going to begin by giving them a number, equation 1, 2, and 3. So I'm looking for a way to add them together or make them so that I can multiply them by something so that they will cancel each other out. And if I look at my 3y's here, if I were to add those equations together, that would automatically eliminate the y. So that's the first step I'm going to take. So I'm going to add equation number 1 and equation number 3. So I'm going to have 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 2, and negative 3x, negative 3y plus z is equal to 0. Now when I add those two equations together, I'm going to get negative x, my y's will cancel out, plus 2z is equal to 2. So now what I want to do is I want to use two other different equations, and I want to go ahead and try to eliminate the y in those as well. So if I look at those two equations, if I were to multiply equation number 2 by 3 and multiply equation number 3 by 2, I could go ahead and get rid of my y's. So to multiply equation 2 by 3 would give me negative 3x plus 6y plus 9z is equal to negative 3. And multiply equation number 3 by 2 would give me negative 6x minus 6y plus 2z is equal to 0. And when I add those together, I would get negative 9x, the y's would cancel out, plus 11z is equal to negative 3. Now I'm going to give the equations that I created, I'm going to give them a number. So I'm going to call this one equation number 4 and give this one a number of equation number 7, just based on the number of equations that I have created. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those equations 4 and 7. So let's just put these over here so we can see them. So equation number 4 was negative x plus 2z is equal to 2. That was equation number 4. And equation number 7 was negative 9x plus 11z is equal to negative 3. And that was number 7. Now I want to go ahead and eliminate another variable here. So I'm looking at eliminating the x. So what I'm going to do in my next step here is I'm going to multiply my equation number 4 by negative 9, and then I'm going to add it to equation number 7. Let's fix that up, equation number 7. Okay, so if I multiply equation number 4 by negative 9, that'll give me 9x minus 18z is equal to negative 18. And my equation number 7 was my negative 9x plus 11z is equal to negative 3. Now if I add those together, my x's will cancel out. I will get negative 7x is equal to negative 21, which means that x is equal to, z is equal to 3. Okay, now I'm ready to take that z that I found and substitute it, and I'm going to substitute it in equation number 4. So sub z is equal to 3 into 4. So I have negative x plus 2 times 3 equal to 2. Negative x plus 6 is equal to 2, which means I have negative x is equal to negative 4, which means that x is equal to 4. And then I'm going to substitute my x is equal to 4 and my z is equal to 3 into my original equation number 1. So I have 2 times 4 plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 2. So I'll have 8 plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 2. And that'll give me 3y is equal to negative 9, which means that y is equal to negative 3. So that'll give me a solution of 4, negative 3, and 3. Our final step is to make sure that the solution we have found is in fact a solution for all equations. So we have to substitute it into all equations to make sure that it fits. So 2 times 4 plus 3 times negative 3 plus 3, and we're going to test and see if that's equal to 2. So that would be 8 minus 9 plus 3 equal to 2, negative 1 plus 3, and that would give us 2 equal to 2. Fits in the first equation. In our second equation, when we substitute our values, we'd have negative 4 plus 2 times negative 3 plus 3 times 3. Test and see if that's equal to negative 1. So we have negative 4, negative 6, plus 9 is equal to negative 1, negative 10 plus 9, and that's negative 1 is equal to negative 1. Works in our second equation. And in our third equation, we substitute the 4 for x, negative 3 for y, and the 3 for z, and we're going to see if that's equal to 0. So negative 12 plus 9 plus 3 equal to 0. We have negative 3 plus 3, and 0 is equal to 0, so it is okay in the third equation as well. So we can conclude that the solution of 4, negative 3, and 3 is the solution to the three equations.